Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Monopoly Go Tycoon Card customization issue quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can quickly toggle airplane mode on and off or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, open your App Store or Play Store, search for Monopoly Go and check if there is an update available. If there is, tap update to install the latest version. Then clear the cache on Android. Go to settings, tap on app and Monopoly storage and tap clear cache. For Android, don't worry, I have got a different solution coming up. On iPhone, follow this step. Open settings and go to general. Tap on iPhone storage. Use the search bar and type Monopoly Go Tycoon Card. Tap on the app and select upload app. And again. Now go back to your home screen and restart your phone. Restarting helps apply all the changes and clear background issue. Finally, reopen Monopoly Go and check if the Tycoon Card customization issue is fixed. It should be working smoothly now. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.